Oh, thank you, Sora. Oh, you want me to do it to you? You want to do it? Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Are you cleaning your toenails? Oh, yeah, you have to clean that corner. Yep. Hello, Isa. What you doing? Are you hiding? Okay, is that what's your hiding? Yeah. Let me see. What's your box now? Tada! You're hiding your toy? Andiyan na naman yung mga jowa ni Aisa, nandiyan na naman. Jowa mo, Aisa. Oh, there's a note. About that toys, what you got? Jowa, andyan yung mga jowa mo, Aisa. Ala, ano to? What's your toy now? You have to show it to your friends. Oh, are you cooking? Let me see your toy now. Show your toy. Okay. Oh, wow, your friends are there. What happened? Oh, you're cooking your food. Oh, you're doing. What? Why you doing? Oh, it's moving. No. Ah, okay. You put that one then. Oh, okay. Ready? Oh, oh. Oh, okay. Okay, do it that one so I can do it. Water? Oh, you're making food. Oh, this one. Oh, you cut it for food. Oh, you're gonna break it. Oh, where's the head now? This is why you take off the head. Who did this one? But you said you did it. Who did? You just did. Oh, what's in that box? Hello, Maricar. Surprise. What is that pink? This the head? You cut the head?